The game is far from over. Squid Game returns for its highly anticipated third season, bringing even more suspense, mind-bending challenges, and shocking betrayals. As the mysterious organization tightens its grip, the rules of the game become even more twisted, and survival demands more than just luck. It requires strategy, resilience, and an iron will. New contestants from all walks of life are thrown into a nightmarish battle where every decision could mean life or death. As they struggle to outwit the deadly games, unexpected alliances form, old rivalries resurface, and hidden agendas threaten to change the course of the competition. Meanwhile, those who once escaped the horrors of Squid Game are drawn back into its dark and sinister world, determined to expose the truth behind the masked enforcers and their enigmatic leader. This season, the challenges are more brutal, the stakes are higher, and the psychological warfare is more intense than ever before. Can anyone truly beat the game, or is every move simply part of a grander, inescapable design? With breathtaking cinematography, gripping storytelling, and heart-pounding suspense, Squid Game Season 3 promises to be its most thrilling chapter yet. Will you dare to watch? Don't miss a second of the action. Subscribe now and turn on notifications. What are your thoughts on the new season? Drop your predictions in the comments. If you're excited for Squid Game Season 3, hit that like button and share.